Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how can you fix your iPad if it is not charging. So first of all guys, first step you must do that you just need to try a different power adapter and or try a different charging cable. If this does not work, make sure your iPad isn't too hot or too cold, and if it is, then just leave it for a few seconds. And now the third and the final step, this will fix your iPad problem. And for what you have to do, you have to force restart your iPad. So if you have an iPad without home button, you have to quickly press and release the volume button near to the closest to the top button, or and just press and quickly release the volume button farthest from the top button, and then press and hold the top button until you press the top button until you your iPad restart. I'll give you the page link where you guys you will see the full guide of it. And the second, if you have an iPad with the home button, then you just need to press top button and home button together to forcefully restart your iPad. So forcefully restart. So basically, if you force a restart your iPad, if there is any temporary glitch or temporary bug on your iPad, it will solve by itself. And if all these things doesn't work, then the last option is left you to check your iPad to the Apple service. So yep, hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.